So my name is Fareen Sheikh. I'm from Baroda, Gujarat. By profession, I'm a fashion designer and I'm a Diamond Elite at CI. I thank Kirtan sir and CI community for giving me this opportunity. So I want to tell you all what was I before joining CI. So before joining CI, there are many things I was facing to grow beyond extraordinary level. First is communication barrier. I was good in making connection, but was not more visible and feeling like stuck somewhere, and communication was not good when it come to presentation. Second was health. I was facing issue in health. Firstly, I was so thin, then I gain my weight, and I shift to the proper exact weight what I want right now. So the health issue was there. So the relationship, my relationship with myself was not good because I was doing a lot of things, but still I was not appreciating myself. There was less love with my own self. So relationship problem. Then the career. Yeah. So I know skills, but I was not like literally I was doing many things, but I don't have the roadmap. So career issue. Then money. Money was coming, but I don't know where to put exactly the money. So these are the thing what I was facing before CI. But what happened after I joined CI? So I joined CI on 21st May 2025. After that, within 14 days, 14 to 15 days, I moved forward to Diamond for the journey of Diamond. But in that time duration, like 14 to 15 days, just joining, every day I was joining DSP, and then I get that courage to speak in front of public. So that was the changing point for me to go to take my journey towards Diamond. And why Diamond? Because I feel that safety, that I am safe in a safe environment where I can grow, where I can achieve my goals. So having so hand-holding journey, and I want to know more about, like, I'm doing things but I don't have that role map and everything. So yeah, I was definitely sure that if I move forward my journey, I will get the result. So yeah, on 4th June 2025, I joined Diamond, and then I move myself toward Diamond Elite. So after that, I complete my foundation and start my success ready journey. So after doing my success ready journey, I start communicating. Firstly, I was like I was connecting with people, but not like exactly. I was not doing public speaking. I was working, but I was working at the back end. I was not in front of the cameras and everything. So yeah, after success ready, I start doing my public speaking journey. I started that. I go to colleges, schools, and yeah, communication. I've developed my communication. So this is the flow diagram. So this is the exact connection what I'm making, and the connection that I'm making, and with that connection I'm getting the opportunities. Like this is the dean madam. She has given me the opportunity of presenting myself in national conference, which will be held on January. So this way I'm getting events. This way I'm getting advertising. This is the flow chart. The connection what I'm making, exactly from that I'm getting the opportunities. So yeah, after joining CI, I work with advertising projects, work with the celebrities, style across them, and this was the after journey. I made a connection. In this connection, I get this much opportunities. So before CI, on 21st of Jan, I think it's the end of the COVID, when at that time I organized my fashion show. And after that, after joining CI, the second I organized my second fashion show on 5th October. Between that, I was just stuck. I don't know where I'm stuck, but I was stuck. I want to organize, but people are waiting for my fashion shows, but I was not that much courageous to do. Then after joining CI, I feel that like now I can do it. So on 5th of October, I organized my second fashion show. Yeah, in that fashion show, I launched my three things. First is my online program. Second is my book, The Value of Mentorship. And third is my brand, Sustainable Fashion. So these three things I have launched, and soon I will work on it, and I will be launching again. That it's finished now. It's on the launch time. So yeah, taking the environment challenges, because environment is the most important part. If our environment is messy, definitely our life will be messy. So took the environmental challenge, and did I clean up my areas, my bed, my lobby, my hall. So this feel me like like, if I will mess outer world, like where I'm staying, if the area is mess, inside me will be 100% mess. So took the challenge of environment. Then I took the health challenge. I work on myself. I'm still working on it. So health challenge. So the relationship challenge. I just today in morning I got the hand casting kit, and I will make it today at night. Me and my mother and my sister will make the hand casting. So the second thing is I gifted my mom the golden bracelet, which I earned after joining CI. I earned the amount by doing fashion shows and the advertising project, and that amount I utilized to give to my parent, to my mother. I gifted golden bracelet to my mother. So this is the kit, and success ready journey is almost completed, but I am on the success ready like practitioner. So the big lesson first is take the help of your family, and the second is be with a mentor who can guide you in every stage of your life. Thank you.